Welcome to Malaysia, the ultimate food paradise and one of the best food destinations on earth. In this video, we are diving straight into the bold, spicy and absolutely mind-blowing world of Indian and Pakistani food in KL. And it's all about flavor explosions, sizzling tandoori, melt-in-your-mouth kebabs, giant naan, the craziest Indian pizza, burgers, authentic Japanese curry, fresh seafood, plus the legendary I love you pastries and the viral secret recipe cakes that Malaysia can't stop talking about. This episode is packed with flavor. This is what food paradise looks like, and we're about to eat our way through all of it. Let's eat!
So we came to Real City Mall here in Kuala Lumpur.
Punjab, Pakistani Indian restaurant, and let's see what we're gonna order.
All these items are special, and on this side too. We got the beef kebab, chana masala, which is our favorite in every Indian restaurant we go. It's chickpeas, it's very nicely made. The makhni, the naan bread. We got the biryani rice. That's all we got. It's a lot of food.
This one fresh salad, tomato sauce, cumin sauce, tamarind sauce.
Thank you.
Welcome. This one sizzling barbecue platter. This one chicken tikka roti, and this one beef cup, and this one chicken malai roti.
Perfect.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Looks amazing. I can smell it from here.
I can't wait to try it.
This one is the chickpeas masala. Whole chickpeas.
So this is actually the Indian food, right?
Yes, made with the tomato and onion. So this one is the butter lentil. We say dal makhani.
Looks
that's
amazing.
Dal makhani.
One of our favorite, by the way.
Yes. And the third item is the biryani rice.
So much food, guys.
The chickpea is one of my favorite Indian food. Chickpea, I love it.
Looks so delicious.
No one in the world can make better chickpea.
Full with aroma, full with spices, full with everything. It's amazing.
So this one I bring the pani puri. Pani puri is the one crispy bowl with the chickpeas and potato and onion. All item boils one. The bowl is the crispy one. You see, this is the bowl is the crispy one. So this is the water. Water is the some sour and the sweeter, and this one made with the tamarind and the mint. So this one very nice. Is the food street of Pakistan and India.
Amazing.
So at last we have butter naan.
Wow.
That's our favorite, guys.
This is the butter naan. You see, the butter at the top of the naan is very delicious, man. Thank you so much.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
the meal.
Thank you. And he's the best. Thank you. Okay. What is it? How does it taste? What is inside? Tell
It's
us.
actually something from the traditional Pakistani kitchen. Very
What-
similar to Indian kitchen. It's good. Maybe need some salt. But it's good.
But what is inside?
I really don't know.
Since Daniel couldn't figure out what is inside in this special Pakistani bowl, I would like to try it and see what I think. So I dip it in a special water sauce. Maybe potato, maybe like a mashed potato inside with some special sauces inside. Yeah, I don't know how to describe it though. So I'm getting the beef in my plate. The yogurt garlic sauce, it's my favorite, and I usually like to put it in my rice. The rice looks delicious.
It looks amazing.
Yes.
Everything looks amazing. Smells amazing.
Get a piece of the chicken, and this one was another type of chicken.
This chicken is delicious. Full of spices on the top. I love it. That's the other kind.
I think that's the garlic chicken, butter garlic chicken. He said it's good, huh?
Very well prepared. And this one actually is the beef kebab.
Oh yeah, that's my favorite. Let me know how it
this is
tastes.
actually Lina's favorite. Really, really good.
Full with spices.
It's well done. It's really, really good. Full of spices again, a little bit spicy. Exactly how I want.
I'm gonna try now the beef. The spices that they used inside, so good. And this is the butter naan bread. It just melts in your mouth.
So at the last, I bring your dessert. This one is the key, sweet rice pudding. You see, this one very nice.
Looks amazing.
So when you finish your food, you eat the dessert. This one has other one is the Pakistani Indian traditional one, custard is the dessert.
And what is inside the red thing? Is it jelly?
Is the not a jelly. This one is a flavored custard. Inside we put the mango flavored and the milk. This one boiled together, then put the garnish. So very nice one.
And there is also cashew.
Cashew nut, almonds at the garnish with the cashew nut and almonds. So you see this one is the special ingredients. Looks nice. So this one also complimentary from our restaurant side. So this one is the orange juice. Thank you.
Oh, so sweet.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Daniel didn't want a Coke, so he brought him a complimentary orange juice. That's so sweet.
Thank you.
So friendly, so friendly. Thank you so much.
Yes, amazing service, guys. Amazing. We're just so pleased with everything so far.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you again. Bye-bye.
We had a great lunch here in Pak Panjib restaurant. It was so delicious. So we are craving burgers. I'm ordering the blue cheese deluxe and Daniel is ordering mini tower. And actually we wanted a smoked duck, but they're out of it.
We're at the Fuel Shack restaurant and we got beef burgers. Mine is double burger and it's a 100% grass-fed beef. Absolutely love it. And it's seriously the meat, it's really delicious. It's good meat, I love it.
It's like In and Out, but in Malaysia.
It's like eating out in Malaysia.
Yeah. Come hungry, live happy. So let's go to Manhattan Fish Market and let's see what they offer. They have variety of seafood. Seafood like never before. Let's see what we're gonna order. Oh, we have to get this plate. Yep. Oh, I really wanna try the spaghetti. They look so good. Let's get in. Seafood like never before. Here in Quill Mall, the menu is big and tempting. So we are getting Heavenly Trio Delight, calamari, mushrooms, and fried hot chicken. We are getting also a mashed potato, garlic rice, fish and chips, seafood spaghetti. So we can't wait to try it. What do you think?
It's delicious, guys. I love everything here on the table.
And we ordered so much food.
Absolutely love it. Everything is great. And these mushrooms.
The mushrooms are the best.
Amazing. Crunchy. Delicious. And it's time for calamari.
Wow, I can hear the crunchiness. Good?
I love it.
I can't wait to try it.
Very good.
They're so nice and crunchy. I can't wait to try it. So delicious. This is actually our second time here. A few months ago we visited this place for the first time and now we're here again. Okay, we are entering the Petron's Towers. And first thing that you're greeted by beautiful piano playing.
Now we're gonna get some pastry from I Love You.
I love you too.
I love the store.
And it's called I Love You. So we got our pastry from I Love You. Let's give it a try. So how is it?
Sesame peanut ball.
Love it?
It's hot. Guys, I adore sesame. Sesame seeds are very favorite. And also, it's so crispy. I never seen that before.
It's so good.
Really crispy. It's crispy from outside and very smooth from inside. Berdua satu
Iya. So we got chicken omelette with rice and also teriyaki chicken with rice and omelette. We got the bread that comes with a garlic sauce. This garlic sauce is absolutely amazing. Yummy. And a soup. So Daniel got pizza. So how is your pizza?
Really good, I like it. It's cheesy, there's mushrooms inside too. I like it.
We've been eating only Asian food, so it's time for some pizza
Yeah, but
and
this is our favorite, by the way.
spaghetti.
This is the garlic sauce, our favorite.
Yes, we love the garlic sauce.
And it's only, I think 4 ringgits.
Yeah, 4 ringgit. And I got spaghetti bolognese.
Man, guys, this is delicious.
And we found the secret recipe. Guess what we're gonna get today? Hello? We're gonna get my favorite cake. And
Chocolate indulge.
it's gonna be chocolate indulge. Make every moment count.
And this, guys, is not a commercial, it's reality. This cake is heaven. It's pico time with jasmine tea at Secret Recipe Restaurant. Cheers.
Cheers. If you don't know what fika time is, click right here and watch our vlog from Sweden.